Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like the room decoration. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one very beautiful decoration, kitchen decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the gate and all beautiful, and what you can see beautiful walls and all very looking very good. Mirror, it's also very beautiful. You can see the floor and all beautiful floor, and the plants you can see at the side, beautiful plants and decoration very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bathroom and the bed you can see there, and this has also beautiful decoration, the floor, the roof, lights and all. This one also the floor, beautiful decoration they did. The golden color is the line they made it with this one, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the floor decoration, and it is like a box beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see it is like going down and coming up, looking very beautiful, very funny, also very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the stairs going up in the floor. You can see it is like shining like a glass, beautiful decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the candles and on up it is like light, but design is of candle, beautiful design. The floor and the walls and all this also very beautiful. You can see the wooden color theme, lights and all beautiful decoration and all, looking very beautiful, very good. This is also very beautiful. You can see it's like a box they made it, no anything, only box, looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the cupboard and all, looking very beautiful. Blue color floor you can see, and the side you can see this is also very good. You can see the lamp and all, beautiful lamp, white color, and it is a kitchen, beautiful kitchen. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bathroom inside the sea. I don't know what is this. It's also very beautiful. You can see the floor and all, very beautiful floor, the lamps and the cupboards. It's also very beautiful. You can see the gates and the window. You can see beautiful lamp and the white color wall. You can go outside, see a beautiful view, good view. It's also very beautiful. You can see the small plants and the floor you can see, and the gate you can see beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, the wall, the roof, everything very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, comment me down that I can bring for you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Wait for the next